I got to ask this question this morning. How can I create a sign-up form so that I can send it out to people who I want to include on an event, on some engagement, on some messaging, et cetera, and they can sign up through this form? Let me show you an idea that you may want to use to create this sign-up form using Google Forms. So here I am, I'm logged into Google, I'm in my burrisconsulting@gmail.com account, my free Gmail account. I'm in Google Drive. I'm in the folder where I keep my Google Forms stuff. You can see I've got my folders set up this way. I'm going to click on New. I'm going to come down here and click on Google Form. This is a new blank Google form, and I'm going to call it Sign Up Form. So I'm going to call it Party Sign Up Form. And I'm going to do my first question. And my first question is basically a short answer. What is your full name? And I'm going to hit required because I need to know your full name. Then I'm going to add another field up here, add a question. What is your email address? I need to know your email address. And it automatically switches it to a short answer, okay? And I need that to be required as well. So this is required. A little asterisk means it's required. I'm going to do another one. Are you prepared to play games all night long? And then I might want to come down here, hit the three dots. I might want to add a description. We will play card games and maybe a few board games. Now, I could go on and on and on, but this is the very simplest of a sign-up form. What is your full name? What's your email address? Are you prepared to play games all night long? I don't need that one to be required. I can make that a yes or no. Option number 1 is yes. Option number 2 is no. And I can have an other. And I could add even more questions. But this is the basics of a sign-up form. Go up here and give my title. The title is Party Sign-Up Form. Now you might want to do a few things. You might want to go to Settings and make sure this is set up to collect responses from all the right people. One great idea is to hit the send button, get the link right here, copy the short link, copy that, and go open that up in an incognito window and make sure that anybody can answer it. And so there's your full name. I can put in Teddy Burris. What's your email address? I can put my email address. I can answer the question, and then I can submit. And I can submit another response, but I may not want to do that. But now I can go back and look at this form, close that down, close this down, and look, I've got one response. So I got one response from Teddy Burris. There's his email address, and he says yes, he's ready to play the game. And so again, I recommend that you create the questions you want. I recommend that you copy the link that you're going to share with everybody. Open it up and make sure it looks the way you want it to look before you send it out to others to fill out. And by the way, there was one thing on here I said I wanted to do. Allow response editing. Limit to 1. So if I limit to 1 response, that means they're going to have to sign in to Google to do this. So maybe I don't want to do that. I can make a decision. Force them to sign in, force them to only give it 1 response, or no sign in and hope they only give 1 response. But I can always go in and delete duplicate responses. That's the basics of creating a sign-up form. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.